So I created cookie classes with cookies that look just like you, brown faces, right? Different shades of brown. I created the class for a year, and no one came. No one, a year. Can you, on Eventbrite, tickets on Eventbrite. I'm putting it out there. I know how to market. Now, I'm a marketing queen. So I'm putting it out there. No one came. I'd be at the class, sitting there, and then I booked a space at the mall. The first African American vendor at Cherry Hill Mall to do a cookie class. I had one person show up. One person show up. Do you know how that feels? Do you people walking around like, what are you doing? You know, you're looking, and I'm looking at them like, hi. Eyes full of water. I could not release anything. I said, I will not. I will do it when I get home. You know, you're going to get yourself together. But then, boom, just like that. People started clicking on. They're like, oh, this is great. I can't believe it. There's a space for this? This is amazing. Just like that, because I didn't give up. It was the consistency of it for me that said, you know what? I know what I have here. I know what I'm doing. This is it. Somebody gonna see these cookies. Somebody gonna come to these classes, and it's not just gonna be me and my daughter.